We have an expansion of space which makes it easier. So as he puts the force in, I stretch out and expand into my partner, and then I can choose the direction of the turn. Give me a bit more bite. So, yeah, and then we can rotate. But I've got to get that expansion first. If I'm too yielding to start with, this is going to collapse onto me. So I've got to match the force open and then do the rotation. From there, we're going to take the under position on the elbows. So as he pushes, we're going to squeeze the scapula. So this line inside here, as soon as we touch, we're going to attack that line and roll straight into our partner's scapula. And it's a type of intercepting, Jim, but we want to project it like an arrow away. The closer I am to his elbow, the easier it is to get this energy, but you can go all the way from the knuckles and just pinch your partner's scapula. So right here, get a different view of it. So you move into me and then you just pinch into the scapula. So when this force is there, I'm feeling the shoulder, feeling the scapula and pinching it a little bit, and then shooting into the pinch to cut through my partner's force. Elbows, easier, and then move out to the wrists and the knuckles to pinch the scapula.